lahat may possibility, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, kasi sa situation na nandyan, mangdaming experience ko for my 28 years.
Yeah, pwede
No.
mamatay kung ano.
Kung lumaban.
Oh, yun.
Example,
Laruin mo kasi you're living space of doubt eh. Na pwede
pwede sa lahat.
Pwede kung,
Yes, kung lumaban
lumaban.
Yun ang sinabi
naman
ko.
Pala eh. Mr. Chair, I have given this body the Google meaning of the word neutralization. This time, I would like to share with you the police meaning of neutralization as defined in page 188 of the Police Operational Procedure Manual. And it says, neutralization, a police intervention in strict accord with the use of force continuum and or principle of proportionality on the use of force purposely to contain or stop the unlawful aggression of the offender. This may include an arrest, capture, surrender, or other acts to subdue the suspect. Wala mang nakalagay dito na kill sa definition ng PNP Operational Manual, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mahirap kung ang magbigay ng meaning, somebody from outside the PNP ang mag-interpret sa isang police term. It should be people from within the organization be given the chance to interpret this term accordingly, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
May we know when the PNP officially and formally defined the word neutralization? Because sa notes ko, mayroon -21, so it gives me the idea it's 2021.
Regardless, Mr. Chair.
Am I correct or not?
Yeah, this is 2021.
2021, okay.
Dahil nga sa palaging
Yes.
minimisinterpret ng
Okay.
publiko yung term na neutralization, the PNP come up with the correct
But
meaning.
Is it a fact that in the command memorandum circular number 16-2016, where the word neutralization appears, wala pa siyang definition nung time na yon?
Wala pa, Mr.
Correct.
Chair.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean kung walang
Correct.
nakasulat na definition, isama mo na yung puro patay-patay na lang ang
Correct.
gusto mo sa neutralization.
Correct.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Do you want to continue with the ex-chief Senator Bato? You want to continue?
Yes. Yes,
Linya,
Mr. Chair.
Same question, kung natatandaan nyo pa, sir. Same question ni Senator Bato. So, Debold Sinas. We have, yes, sir, General Retired Debold Sinas.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. First, I'd like to thank the committee for inviting me. Nagbigay na po ni Senator Bato at saka ni Sir Archie po ang definition. Yun po talagang inadapt namin, Your Honor. Hindi po kagad patay. Because the context talaga, kasi kagaya yung operational procedures, kasama po yun sa tinuturo at saka nasa mga training at saka mga discussion. Hindi po kagad patay. Dapat we do the, after mag-case build-up, the arrest, capture, kung mag-surrender, is-surrender. Tapos kung mayroong imminent threats na talagang lumaban, doon po talaga nag-engage ang police po. Kaya nga pinakita rin po kanina na may mga instances din na pag hindi ready ang police, kami po ang mapapatayan. It does not mean na pag sinabing neutralize, ang sinasabi namin sa mga tao namin sa baba during our conferences, our coordinating conferences and meeting, ay patay. Hindi po yun, sir. Ang una talaga is to neutralize, to stop their operations, to stop their aggressions on equal force. Just enough to neutralize them. Yun po, sir, ang kuha namin. Yun po ang ginagamit na term na pinasa na po namin sa baba. It's not immediate killing, sir, ang kuha po namin. So we have the same stand po, sir, with Senator Bato and Sir Archie, sir. Thank you po.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
if I may, just very quick intervention, Mr. Chairman, because I was listening attentively whether as to when the word neutralization came into the picture and the definition came in later, as you mentioned, 2021. So my next question, or probably a practical question, would be, how do you come up with a list of persons that you need to neutralize? if you don't have the definition of neutralization? I think it's a practical question, Your Honor.
Take that up in
Yeah,
some
yeah.
other future
I just
time.
wanted to put that on a-
Ituloy lang natin
Yeah.
si ano andito. Pero
Thank
hindi,
you.
may nasabi kasi si General Sinas na yun ang, sabi mo, yung interpretation na yun ang pinaabot mo sa baba. So, I mean to say, nag-issue ka ba ng mga circulars when you were Chief PNP? Na you interpreted neutralization?
No po,
Wala.
sir.
Oh, how did you do
We
it?
do with our conferences, with our...
So, verbal?
Yes, sir, verbal po, sir.
Sige, General Danao, please. Same question daw ni Senator Bato.
Yes, sir. Honorable Chairman and other members of the Senate. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Sir, I was assigned as the officer in charge of the Philippine National Police from May 2022 up to August. So it's only 3 months, and that was the time of election. And from 2016 to 2018, I was just a mere directorate or staff of the directorates of intelligence and the CIDG. But as far as the neutralization word is concerned, as being discussed before during the height of the drug war, for me, sir, I would take it as neutralization is a form of police operation. First, sir, is the voluntary surrender of the suspects of illegal drugs. That is one. And it could also be through the legal arrest of the suspects through bypass operation, through conduct of search warrants, and the other forms. It could also be through checkpoints. Kasi kung minsan, sir, may mga checkpoints dyan na makikita, in possession, sir, yung illegal drugs ng mga suspects. And it could also be, the word neutralization could also be the meaning, the killing of the suspect. So yun, sir. So pero yung sinasabi siya na interpretation how we conduct operations sa baba, sir, nasasabi na killing, parang medyo wala naman pong ganon. But it is only how to the people on the ground on how they interpret it as such.
Thank you. Okay, ganito.
Mr. Chair, may I respond?
Sige, just if possible, briefly lang, Attorney Jokno, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Unang-una po, I think the comments that were made missed the point entirely. Kasi ang tanong talaga dito ay, bakit pa nilagay yon sa isang command circular? At may point out ko rin po, naalala ko rin na Senator De La Rosa na mismong kayo po nung 2016 ay
Talk to me,
ginamit nyo din po ang salitang
Talk to me,
neutralize.
Attorney Chok.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair. But may I point out that Senator De La Rosa in 2016 also used the term neutralize to refer to a bounty being raised to have him killed by supposed generals who were allied with the drug, or those people involved in drugs.
What's your source?
This
Please,
is from,
para ma-check din namin. Ha?
Amita Legaspi, GMA News, published September 28, 2016, dito po sa GMA News Online.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
siguro mamaya kung ma-share sa atin yan para makareact ako properly.
Okay, please share with Senator Bato.
Wala akong context, Mr.
Kaya ako
Chair.
tinanong para yung staff ma-check kagad ng staff.
Just a few more points, if I may, Mr. Chair. General Gamboa mentioned the use of the order of battle, pero matagal na po yan na-ban. Bawal na po gumamit ng order of battle sa ilalim ng Anti-Torture Act. So kung sabi niya ay yun ang ginagamit nila sa counterinsurgency, yun din ang basis nila sa drug list, wala na po yun eh. Pinagbabawal na po yun na matagal na ng ating batas. And finally, the point that confidential daw yung circular na ito at dapat daw hindi kami nakakuha ng kopya. Kami mismo ay nag-request sa PNP para sa kaso sa Supreme Court at binigyan po kami ng certified true copy na sinubmit po namin sa Supreme Court. Yan lang po, Your Honor.
Sino ba nag-call attention ko? You want to Senator Risa? Yeah.
Salamat kayo, Mr. Chair. A follow-up question, Attorney Jokno. Attorney Chal, apart from semantics, may basis po ba sa karanasan na yung naging interpretasyon ng iba sa neutralize o negate ay pumatay.
Ayun nga po, yun na ipakita kong mga slides kanina na mismong galing sa pulis, Santa Ana, Pulis Tondo, mismo kay Colonel Jovi Espenido, sa PIDEA Chief. Lahat po sila ginagamit nila yung salitang neutralize. At ang ibig sabihin ay kasama na doon yung pagpapatay.
Salamat.
Mag-ready ka muna, Colonel Espinido, tatanungin kita. Pero ito lang, para lang just educate this representation or the Committee General Gamboa. General Gamboa, ba't mo ba nasabi in the first place na top secret or secret ito na wag i-circulate itong Command Memorandum Circular? Bakit? Why?
Sir, Mr. Chair, as I have said, the sanction goes to the government employee, not to the recipient.
No,
So-
but why? Why? Bakit limited
Because-
circulation ito? It was really designed for limited circulation?
No, sir. Meaning to say, the circulation is controlled. There are different classifications of the documents in the police. Like there's secret, there's top
What
secret.
anong marka nito? There's no marking.
It's supposed to be confidential, sir. It is supposed to be a cover page. And down below should be stated confidential. But probably because the PNP already officially released it, that's why they removed it.
So there's something wrong kung may separate page andun ang confidential and yet sa document itself walang tatak na confidential. So if ever nakikinig ang PNP sa atin, if that is what you want to happen, tatakan nyo ng confidential yung dokumento mismo, wala na rito eh. There's no more trace that is confidential. Anyway, okay na po yun, just for my information. Colonel, ikaw ito sasabihin ko nga sa kanila, hindi ka naging PNP chief, pero talagang sa ground ka. You conduct police operations, etc. And I think you have an admission under oath that you interpreted the word neutralization as, not naman siguro meaning to kill, but as including the possibility of killing. Sige, just explain to us, ano yung ibig nyo sabihin?
Good afternoon to, Mr. Chair, sa lahat. Good afternoon. Sa akin naman, as an operatives, matagal sa non-commissioned officer, ang sa amin, Your Honor, ang pag-intindi, pag may neutralization, may report pagkatapos ng trabaho sa status. So, neutralized, then the remarks is nahuli or namatay. Not totally, sa interpretation namin, na nakalagay diyan neutralization, patayin. Magtrabaho lang to stop anything as long as illegal. So sa remarks, so nakalagay na doon ang specification. Nahuli, nandoon, final sa court ang complaint at saka namatay, Your Honor. Kami ang mag-implementor kasi sila yung mga officer kaharap ko ngayon. Sila ang taga-gawa ng circular. Pero the truth is, ako, number one, ang nag-implement. Paano i-implement ang neutralization? Hindi nakapokus sa neutralization, kundi nakapokus kung sino ang target na illegal na hulihin ba or mamatay kasi yun na, may firefighting na ang nangyari. But not totally na nakalagay sa isip namin as non-commissioned officer na nasa field, nasa ground na yun patayin kasi neutralization, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Kasi kami ang magharap sa korte kung sakali sundin. Maski hindi nalaban, patayin lang kasi neutralization, no. Kaya sinabi ko sa Quadcom Committee, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, na pwede. Sa lahat pwede. Possibility. As long as real trabaho, kung ano talaga yon ang harapin mo, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Sige, Senator Bato,
matanong ko na rin
will clarify the situation.
Meron kang sinabi, Colonel Espiritu, na pwede. Pwede. Ano mo ibig mo sabihin doon sa pwede? Na pwedeng mamatay?
Lahat may possibility, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, kasi sa situation na nandyan, mangdaming experience ko for my 28 years.
Yeah, pwede
No.
mamatay kung ano?
Kung lumaban.
Oh, yun.
Example,
Klaruhin mo kasi you're living space of doubt eh. Na pwede pala.
pwede sa lahat.
Pwede kung,
Yes, kung lumaban na. Yun ang sinabi ko,
pala eh.
Mr. Chair.
Sige, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Colonel, ganito, okay. Kunyari, hindi neutralization yung word na ginamit. Arrest, o ano. Pag lumaban,
Ganon pa rin.
ganun pa rin, ending.
Mr. Chair. Ganon.